PIXIE and I'm a promotions coordinator. I manage my own company. It's called Fana Enterprises. It's an agency for brand ambassadors, both male and female. Red lips, red lips, red lips. We are there to engage the customer, the potential customer, to use or consume or buy the client's products. I've been working in the carnival industry and the promotions industry for the past 20 years. I started at Carib Brewery as the promotions coordinator. I don't want to use the word invented, but I invented the Carib Girls. Nobody really understood what I was about when I turned up at fetes or bars or parties with 6 girls dressed in blue and yellow. I didn't even know what I was doing at that stage. There was no example, no pattern for me to follow, just my mad creative ideas, and it worked, thank God. When I first started, I would help the bands with models for their band launches. And you go behind the scenes and you see women making the costumes, women putting on makeup, women doing hairstyles, women getting women ready. And the big wings that you saw in the storeroom, the headpieces, the wings and the body suits. And then you will go outside and you will change and they will take pictures of them looking hot. The most important thing, and a lot of wrong information out there in Trinidad about these brand ambassadors or promo girls or whatever you have, is that they're not up to standard. They do this as a job. This is not a job. This is like a stepping stone. I give them financial stability to succeed.